Hello. For this tapping session, I'd like you to think about something that is making you worry. It can be anything in the last day or the last week, something that you have coming up, something that's making you feel worried. You might feel this in your body, or you might just know that it's a worried feeling. So, if you could give that a number out of 10 and you could guess that number, what would it be? 10 is the very, very most, and 0 is like nothing. So if you could give it a number, what number would you give it? The other thing that you could do if you don't want to give it a number and a number is not coming to mind is just think about how big it is. So maybe it's a little tiny. Maybe it's huge. Maybe it's somewhere in between. Can you show how big it is? Now we're only going to use 4 tapping points. What you will do is tap on your eyebrows, on your cheeks, on your chest, and on your sides. You can use your fingertips, or you could be like a gorilla, and that's it. Before we do that, though, we're going to tap on the side of our hand and say some things, and then we'll go through those 4 points a few times, okay? So just follow me and repeat what I say, and let's do some tapping. So we'll start on the side of the hand, and we're going to say, even though, so you repeat what I say, even though I'm worried, I'm okay. Even if I feel really worried, I'm a great kid. Even though I'm really worried, I am strong. Now gently tap on your eyebrows and say, I am worried. On your cheeks, say, I feel worried. On your chest, it's okay. Under your arms, to feel this way. Now take a deep breath. How do you feel? Can you give it another number? Did the number get smaller, or did it shrink? Let's keep tapping, okay? So on your eyebrows, say, this worry. On your cheeks, my worried feeling. On your chest, even if I'm worried. Under your arms, I'm okay. We're going to do one more round, okay? Tap on your eyebrows and say, all this worry. On your cheeks, my worry. On your chest, I want to let go of my worry. Under your arms, I am doing great. Now take a deep breath. How does it feel now? Is it all the way down to a 1 or a 0? Did it shrink down to a tiny pebble? If it did, then you can stop. And if not, you can keep tapping. You're doing great. We're going to do one more round, and we're just going to say some positive phrases. Because once we clear out those negative feelings, we can say positive things in their place. And that is just a nice feeling. So let's tap on our eyebrows again and say, I let go of my worry. I am brave. On your chest, I am strong. Under your arms, I am doing great. And take a deep breath and give yourself that number. See if the number changed. What would you give your worry now? Is it big, small, a 10, a 0? You can celebrate any decrease that you have, any bit of shrinking of that worry is a cause to celebrate. And you can do this video over and over and keep tapping. And I hope that this helps you a lot. You are doing amazing.